Hello everybody, welcome to the presentation on audio jack of subject audio video engineering, and reporters are Cora Trushal and Meet Pachigar from the Desai University. So the topic which will be covered in this presentation are introduction, history, features and working of audio jack. So we start with introduction. Have you ever noticed small socket for injection of earplugs on your device and also ring on your earplug jack? Do you know why there are more than one rings and what is the use of that rings and how it works? So these things will be covered in today's presentation. A phone connector, also known as phone jack, audio jack, headphone jack or jack plugs, is which is family of electrical connectors typically used for analog audio signals. The phone connector is cylindrical in shape. In its original audio configuration, it has typically 2, 3, 4 and occasionally 5 contacts. In UK, the term jack plug and jack socket are commonly used for respective male and female connectors. In the US, a stationary electrical connector is called a jack. The term phone plug and phone jack are sometimes used to refer to different genders of phone connectors. So now we will move to the history. First, do you know first time when this jack was used? It was 1878. The root of audio jack lies in 1878 when the first ever telephone line was installed and 6.35 mm jack was used. Almost after a century, Sony comes up with the most popular and common audio jack of 3.5 mm used nowadays. It is very popular nowadays. It became very popular and its application on the Walkman is in 1979, as unlike earlier transistor radio, this device had no speaker of their own. The usual way to listen to them was to plug in headphones. Its patent was owned by Scribners from USA. So, further more information, we will move to the Cora Trussell.
There is a various features, so it is available with a lot of variants, and its variants are 2.5 millimeter mono, 3.5 millimeter, 3.5 millimeter stereo, 6.35 millimeter. So let me clear first that what this all the digits are consist. These all digits are numbered as the diameter of that plug. It is used accordingly. Its code number and the various codes number are code number 47, which is used for switchboards; code number 85, which is used in head telephones; code number 103, which is used in operator's head telephone and the chest transmitter; code number 109, which is used on telephone switchboards with the same basic shape as the modern metaplex. Okay, so code number 110, which is used in switchboards, and code number 112, which is used in head telephones and chest with the transmitter cutout key. Okay, so code number 116, code number plug with the use of codeless jack boxes; code number 126, it is used in jacks on portable street railway station. So as we have seen that it is being used according to its code number, and various code numbers are have has their own different uses, has their own different pros and cons, so that is used at various things. So let's see the working of the audio jack. It is worked accordingly its various types. So as I said earlier, it has a two conductor plug TS, which is known as that we can see in figure 1.1. Look at that. This is a one and this is a two. That is two. The two conductor plug. Its tip is for a microphone and conductor after ring is for a ground. So this tip is for microphone and the conductor after ring is for a ground. It can record a voice only. So this type of plug, as usual, we can see in the at the microphone, which is a mono device. Only we can record our voice. So there is another type of it, that is a three conductor plug, that is three conductor plug 1, 2 and 3, which is known as TRS. There is a tip for left audio channel, second conductor is for right audio channel, and the third conductor is for a ground. Then there is another type of conductor, four conductor plug, which is widely known as TRRS, which is shown in figure 1.3. Look at that. That is a figure 1.3, and four conductors plug 1, 2, 3, and 4. There is a tip for a left channel. Second conductor is for a right channel, and second conductor is for right channel, third conductor is for microphone, and fourth conductor is for a ground. Okay, so five conductor plug, that is this type of plug you can see rarely, and it is also very costly accessory, we can say. There is a tip for a left channel, positive sound. There is a second conductor for a left channel, negative side. Third conductor for a right positive, and fourth conductor for a right channel negative. And fifth conductor, look at that. That is a fifth conductor. It is usual for a ground. So, what is the difference between the four conductor and fifth conductor? On and the fifth conductor consists various type of plugs. So one can hear a smooth and better sound with a five conductor pin. Okay, jack headphone, because positive and negative both the ends are balanced in it, so there is a smooth and very sharp songs you can hear in that type of five conductor plug. So there is a working, what we say, as you can see, CE Scribner telephone circuit, patented in June 1897. Here is the photograph of actual patent of audio jack is shown. Okay, here a signal from source E, as you can see here, the source E, that all the circuitry works as the source. With the extra excitation, this battery comes at the pin of audio jack via these wires, and it's audio jack, and via wires it goes to earphone. There is a wire and wire it is a earphone. Okay, at the end of, look at that. Here, from here to there is a earphone 1, there is earphone 1, and here earphone 2. Okay, you can realize it. Okay, so it is patented in 1897. Let me erase it. Okay, it is patented in 1897 with analog circuitry, but now this all analog circuitry is replaced with digital circuitry. Okay, this old circuitry was analog at that time, and it is being replaced with the digital circuitry nowadays. So it is difficult to cover the old digital circuitry which works in mobile and gives the input to uh, our audio jack. It is beyond our scope and it becomes too lengthy. So I hope you liked it.
And for more information, you can go to the website www.wikipedia.org, www.patent.google.com, and www.medium.com. Thank you.